Thank you for your interest in TechnologyForAccountant.net's website design service. Technology for Accountants was started in 2009, and we primarily work with independent accountants and small firms. Usually our clients focus on tax planning, bookkeeping, consulting, payroll solutions, or all of the above. They come to us really for three reasons. One, they don't have a website and they need a new one created. Two, they need their website redesigned so it's a little bit more mobile friendly. Or three, they come to us for our social media posting services. Today what we're going to do is review our website design services at Technology for Accountants. And we kind of have what I would call a unique model. What we do is we want to kind of learn about how you run your firm. We believe in 2016 that everyone needs a website. There's really no escaping that. But you know, the days of having a big billboard website have kind of come and gone. We feel that your website should make you more efficient, should have some tools on it that help your current clients, but also have some things on it that entice potential clients. So what we do is we have kind of a unique setup process for the website. There's no upfront cost. So we're going to kind of prove to you that we mean business and that we can create a website that's going to help you before you pay anything. And how the process works is kind of step one is maybe to sit through today's presentation, understand what's included, how it works. Then if you're interested, give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you, go through how everything works, and really make sure it's a good fit for everyone involved. Once you understand that it's going to be a solution for you, you go to our website and you sign up for the website service. Again, there's no upfront cost. You kind of get a 1-month free trial. Once you sign up, the next step is to set up about a 30 to 45-minute interview or strategy session where we talk about your operation. We learn about who your typical clients are. What types of marketing do you do? What types of retention things do you do? And most importantly, what does your firm focus on? Once we can kind of understand all of that, we then go in and build out a brand new website for you in about 1 week. Because we've talked to you and understand everything, we try to come up with some concepts and ideas that we think is going to best help you. Remember, you haven't paid anything, so it's very important for us to build you a website that's going to make you successful. That's how we're profitable. We're profitable by actually helping you. So we kind of use our expertise in the accounting industry to build the best website for your firm. Again, it takes about a week. Once we're done with the first draft of the site, we email it over to you and say, this is what we've come up with. We'll then sit on the phone again for a little bit, go through the draft, and change anything you could possibly want to change. Again, we'll come up with the content, we'll come up with the pictures, we'll put in all the tools we think you're going to need and that your clients are going to need, and then together we kind of go through it and make it work for you. So usually 2 to 3 weeks after you've signed up, the website is done and it's live and working for you. Then 1 month from the day that you signed up, you are then paying $69.99 a month. That becomes your cost, a fixed cost for your website services. It's a month-by-month contract that you can cancel anytime you want. But what you get for the $69.99 a month is obviously the initial design of the website, up to 30 customizable pages. Moving forward, if you ever need to make changes or even to redesign your site, there's no cost. You can certainly email us the changes, you can call us up and we can strategize, or if you want, you can go on there yourself and make the changes. But there's no cost for changes. We encourage changes. In 2016, website technology changes really fast. And we want to encourage you to make changes and to keep things looking good, because in the end, you need your website. It becomes a very important part of your firm, hopefully. So we will host the website. We'll set up all the search engine optimization and keywords. You will get your own mobile website. So certainly the website is mobile friendly. We will set up any type of fillable forms that you need, or questionnaires or landing pages. I have one client who's doing some seminars this summer, and he's doing a big mailing to try to get attendance to these seminars, and we created a special landing page that has a schedule, lets people register for the seminars, and he's putting that landing page web address on all of his mailing. If you use any third-party technology, maybe you have some calculators, maybe you have a secure file share where your clients can kind of dump documents to you and send them to you securely, we can build all of that onto your website. That's no problem. We'll get you set up with a social media business page, so we get you set up. And then the number one thing our current clients give us really good feedback on is each week we actually offer a 15-minute training webinar just teaching you how you should be using Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, email marketing, and blogging to drive people to your website. So here's a quick example of a firm we've recently helped. And you can see we've kind of created a real user-friendly site that lets people go right into the site. They can easily click and send them a secure file by dragging it right into their file sharing software, or they have their whole staff roster, with certainly more information about them, etc. So just to kind of confirm, we really have two services at TechnologyForAccountants.net. We have the website design service, which we just reviewed. It's again $69.99 a month. There's no upfront cost. So if you signed up today on the 1st of the month, you would pay your first $69.99 the following month on the 1st. We have a social media outsourcing service where we actually post educational accounting content for you on your social media presence. That can be its own service. It's $65 a month, $165 a quarter, or $500 a year. Or if you need both services, we have a bundle package of both of them called our Elite Package, which is available for $115 a month. Just keep in mind that if you want the bundle package, there is then no free trial. You do pay up front for that package. So again, I appreciate your time. What I suggest is if you're interested in our services, please give us a call. Again, we would love to talk to you, go through your scenario, just get a good feel for what you're trying to accomplish, and we will tell you very bluntly if we can help you or not. Again, a lot of work goes into building these websites. We want to make sure we can help you before we start the project. Appreciate your time, and thanks again.